Yes, we have actually many services today. Nami bloodletting, nami dental, nami legal. We have medical also. So, murag ubay-ubay ning atong mga pasyente karon. Again, this is sponsored by Rotary, but ang sponsored jud sa part sa mga medicines anak si uh, Mayor June Gonzalez, former mayor sa Valencia, and Procopio Boyd Gonzalez is my husband. It's their birthday. A way of celebrating their birthday is giving back or sharing what they have. So, when I gikuan part of the service above self namo nga motto sa Rotary.
So this is in line with Thousand Year Celebration or
Yes.
yearly lang yun siya.
Yes, it's always been sa Rotary Magod. It's always not just most. It's always giving back. Walay mas kuan, nothing gets back to you except maybe God's blessings. So sige raming ga service sa community throughout the year. Gi-align na namo. So I am happy nga gamay ra ang gihatag nga lista for this particular medical mission, but daghan kaayo ang i-attend nga serbisyo. In fact, na-over sa among expectation. Okay.
So, ma'am, hindi mo nalang acknowledgement sa tanan nga successful yung kaliwan.
Ang
Acknowledgement din sa tanan nga ni-join ka ron.
yes, ang acknowledgement karon nag-partners mi sa Negros Oriental Medical Society, Negros Oriental Dental Society, and then we have Foundation University, we have the Red Cross, we also have Negros Oriental Provincial Hospital, who is doing also bloodletting. What else? Of course, the Rotarians are here. So, mauna ang acting service. Did I mention Coast Guards?
Yes.
Napunta yung Coast Guards.